Welcome back to Good Morning Washington.
Roxanne, great to be with you here on the show again.
Absolutely. Listen, every time you come, you're helping our viewers save money. But today it's a little different, right? With Labor Day here, I think it's important we salute the workers that are doing the work.
Yeah, I mean, you said it. This has been such a time, such a summer for the solar industry and, of course, for solar energy world. So many hundreds of our workers have been going really into overtime, especially here at the end of summer, trying to get as many people installed with their solar and battery systems as fast as possible before the end of the year, because the tax credit laws have all changed this year. So we just want to take a minute, with Labor Day to salute all the hard workers, not just on the operations and engineering teams that we have in-house, but of course the guys that go out and get those panels up on the roof, even when it's 100 degrees, 120 up there on the roof sometimes. They get these jobs done and they deliver for our, really thousands of homeowners that have been signing up for solar, just trying to get away from, the unpredictable and expensive nature of that utility power. So again, just want to salute them for sure.
Absolutely. With all these changes, it sounds like now is really the time for people to give you guys a call and get in on this solar.
So definitely give us a call, 877-SOLAR-TV, solarenergyworld.com. And if you didn't do it before Labor Day, do it as soon as you can after.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Wyatt, and happy Labor Day.
All right. Happy Labor Day to you as well.